welcome to my channel Himanshu Classes. In this video we are going to talking about the chapter matter. Matter is most important chapter for every students and every examinations too. In this video we will discuss about the definition, the characteristics and states of matter and many important points which we related to the matter and clarify the all questions belongs to matter. But before it, please like, subscribe and share my video and please press the bell icon. Then you will find first of my video, then it will be published. So let's start the video of matter. Chapter is matter in our surroundings, in which first of all we discuss about the definition of matter. Anything that has mass and occupied space is called matter. Everything which we found around us which made up of some materials is called matter. Many examples are here: stones, food, clouds, rain, sun, stars, plants, animals, water, etc. Everything has mass and occupied space. Everything which we found around us. If stones, food, clouds, rain, sun, everything which we found around us. Now the characteristic of particles of matter, in which first character of particles of matter is particles of matter are very small, normally not visible from naked eye. Whenever we want to watch it, then we use an electron microscope. Particles of matter keep moving continuously, which is known as kinetic energy. Third, kinetic energy of particles directly depend on the temperature. As temperature increases, the speed of the movement also increases. The particles of matter have attracting force, therefore they attract each other. The attracting force of the particles keep the particles together. However, the strength of the attracting force varies from one kind of matter to another. States of matter. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Solid, liquid and gas are related with each other. Water is the example of it. When evaporation of liquid, then it changes into gas. When condensation of gas, then it changes into liquid. When freezing of liquid, then it changes into solid. Then melting of solid, then it changes into liquid. And when sublimation of solid, then it changes into gas. When deposition of gas, then it changes into solid. It is the relation between all of three. We describe about the states of matter one by one. First of all, we are talking about solid: definite shape, distinct boundaries and fixed volumes. Most of the solid materials have negligible compressibility. Third, maintain their shape when subjected to outside force. It is the natural tendency of solid. After that, it can be broken under applied force. It can be broken under applied force, but it is very difficult to change their shape as they are rigid. Liquid, no fixed shape. However, they have a fixed volume. It take up the shape of container in which they are kept. When you put into a glass, it takes the shape of glass. Then when it puts into a tub, then it take the shape of it takes the shape of container. Properly to flow and change shape. Properly to flow and changing always its shape. Is gaseous state, matter in the form of air, which is neither solid nor liquid, is known as gas. For example, oxygen, which we taken, nitrogen, hydrogen, etc. All of these are gas. It has no definite shape and size like solid. It has the property to compressibility. The gases such as liquefied petroleum gas (LPG) used in cooking, compressed natural gas (CNG) used as fuel in vehicles, etc. have high compressibility. Therefore, large volume of a gas can be compressed into a small cylinder and can be transported easily. Gaseous normally show the property of diffusing very fast into other gases. This is the reason that we can smell without good or bad from the distance. It is the most important property of gas. Water can change its state. The first point in which is water can exist in all three states: ice as solid, water H2O as liquid, water vapor as gaseous state. Second point is the temperature at which solid melt and transform into the liquid at the given atmospheric pressure is known as melting point. This point belongs to the definition of melting point. The melting point of a solid is an indication of the strength of force of attraction between its particles. The melting points of solid is an indication of the strength of force of attraction between its particles. The melting point of ice is 273.16 Kelvin, that is 0 degree Celsius. The process of melting is known as fusion. The amount of heat energy which is required to change 1 kg of a solid materials at a given atmospheric pressure is known as the latent heat of fusion. Whenever you given the answer of the definition of latent heat of fusion, this is the point belongs to your answer. The temperature at which a liquid starts boiling at the given atmospheric pressure is known as boiling point. I say again, the temperature at which a liquid start boiling at the given temperature, atmospheric pressure, given atmospheric pressure is known as boiling point. The boiling point of water is 373 Kelvin, that is 100 degree Celsius. Matter can change its state. The next point is the change of state of a matter directly from solid to gas without changing into liquid state is known as sublimation. A change of state of matter directly from solid to gas not involve liquid without changing into liquid state is known as sublimation. The phenomenon that is change of a liquid into vapor at any temperature below its boiling point below its boiling point is known as evaporation. Solid carbon dioxide is stored under high pressure. Solid carbon dioxide. Solid carbon dioxide gets converted directly into gaseous state once the pressure decrease of 1 atmosphere. Atmosphere means what? So atmosphere atom is ATM, the short form of atmosphere, is a unit of measuring pressure exerted by the gas, and the unit of pressure is Pascal, PA, the short form of Pascal. 1 atmosphere is equal to 1.01 into 1 10 to the power 5 Pascal. The fourth state of matter is called plasma. The video belongs to the chapter matter is end here.